This beer has been in my fridge for more than 6 months. This is Three Line Ales Gingerbread Cookie Imperial Stout. Hindi ko siya nabubuksan because I was waiting for the right moment or for the right episode to try and taste this. Pero lagi kong nakakalimutan, lagi nang nalilipasan ng pagkakataon. So, tumagal siya ng 6 months sa ref ko. At ngayon, titikman natin siya. To be honest, I'm kinda hesitant kasi hindi ko alam kung okay pa siya. Ang mga ganitong klase ng small batch beers, craft beers, hindi masyadong matagal ang shelf life nitong mga to. Feeling ko, baka expired na to. Although, walang nakalagay dito sa can ng expiration date. Pero as far as I know, kapag more than 6 months or ganun katagal, hindi na ganun ka-fresh ang mga craft beers. But anyway, today I have decided to finally open this can. This is Three Line Ales. It's 9% alcohol by volume. Look at that, 9%. So medyo mataas siya. At ang classification niya nga ay Imperial Stout. And it's gingerbread cookie Imperial Stout. Anyway, enough talk. I don't know what to expect. I just wanna say na kapag hindi na siya okay, it's completely my fault. Ako ang may kasalanan, ako ang may pagkakamali kasi matagal ko siyang hindi nabuksan. So, let's not take it against this brand, Three Line Ales. Let's open it. Oh, bango. Sana hindi pa siya sira. Sana hindi pa siya expired. I was saving it for something special. Kaya lang, tumagal nga. Tapos hindi ko na nabuksan. Oh, look, it's so dark. Teka lang. Baligtarin natin. Oh my God, I'm so glad it still looks fresh. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. At mukhang mataas pa rin yung carbonation. The color is so dark. Of course, because nga it's Imperial Stout. And ganun talaga ang mga stouts. Lalo na pag tinatawag na Imperial Stout. May itim. Look at that. It smells sweet. Naamoy ko yung parang may pagka-cookie. Cookie dough nga. Cookie smell. Bango. Tikman na natin. Yes. Yes, I'm so glad hindi pa siya expired. Yes. Ang sarap. Okay. Yeah, first of all, I'm so glad na hindi siya nag-expire in my fridge. Because nakatikim na ako ng expired na beer dati and it was really, it was not a pleasant taste. It was not a pleasant experience drinking an expired can of beer. This one, it still tastes fresh. I can still taste the carbonation and the freshness. Buti na lang. It's maganda yung pagkaka-can, maganda yung pagkaka-store sa kanya. Okay. What about the taste itself? I'm gonna try to describe the taste as best as I can, as honestly as I can. Usually kasi when you say or when you see these kinds of dark beer, ang expectation mo nasa parang ano yan parang cerveza negra or Guinness. Cause yun yung mga popular na dark beers. Yun yung mga usually na natitikman na natin ng mga dark beers. Imperial Stout, it's a lot thicker. Mas makapal yung lasa niya at mas strong yung flavors. And the alcohol content or the alcohol taste inside the mouth mas may kagat than your cerveza negra or your Guinness. Okay? Mas malakas yung lasa niya. It's similar. Nandun siya sa similar taste profile ng Cerveza Negra. But it's, after a while, you will really see or you will really feel the difference. It's much more flavorful. Don't get me wrong, I like Cerveza Negra. It's one of my favorite, if not my favorite, San Miguel beer, Cerveza Negra. But this one talaga, I can feel na mas masarap siya. Mas nasasarapan ako sa kanya. The aftertaste, it reminds me of eating dark chocolate. Parang yung pag kumain ka ng dark chocolate tapos nalunok mo na, but naglilinger pa yung chocolate taste inside your throat and inside your mouth. That's what it feels like. So para kang umiinom ng dark chocolate. I love it. Anyway, the ingredients are water, malt, yeast, hops, spices, vanilla extract, and lactose. So, meron siyang milk. Gingerbread cookie imperial stout by Three Line Ales. Three Line Ales is one of my favorite craft beer breweries dito sa Metro Manila. Pag napupunta ako sa Robinson's Magnolia, I always make it a point na dumadaan ako sa Three Line Ales para tumikim ng mga beers na nasa top nila. The mouthfeel. How's the mouthfeel? It's very strong. I like the mouthfeel because ang kapal nga ng lasa at ang kapal ng flavors. It's very pleasant kind of strong kind of beer. And yes, I am a fan of dark kinds of beer. So, mga ganitong klase ng beer, I love it. Habang iniinom mo siya, habang tumatagal na yung flavors ng beer sa loob ng bibig mo, mas lalo kong natitikman yung pagka gingerbread cookie dough niya. Sarap niya. Mataas ang alcohol content nito. It's 9%. 9% alcohol by volume. So, can you imagine how strong this is? Ang Red Horse, sabi nila, it's extra strong, but that's only 6.9%. So, it's not even 7%. This one is 9% alcohol by volume. So, mataas siya. I can imagine na kapag naubos ko tong isang can na to, siguro para akong uminom ng 2 bote ng Red Horse. Ganun kalakas ang tama niya. But, ayun na nga, ang mga Imperial Stout, malalakas talaga yan. Matataas talaga ang alcohol content niya mga yan. Anyway, so ayun. I like this beer and I'm so glad na hindi pa siya expired. It's been sitting in my fridge for more than 6 months now. I'm so happy na hindi pa siya expired. Sarap niya. I like this. Three Line Ales. Anyway, kung nakapunta na kayo sa Magnolia, sa Robinson's Magnolia, at kung nakatikim na kayo ng mga beer ng Three Line Ales, let me know down in the comments kung ano yung paborito nyong beer ng Three Line Ales. Alright, yun na lang muna. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.